We've officially crossed a line. For years, robots wowed us in labs. Backflips, block stacking, always behind closed doors. Now, that curtain is gone. Advanced robots are out in public, interacting with real people. It's surreal. These machines aren't just following scripts, they're learning, reacting, and even understanding emotion. This isn't science fiction, it's 2024, and it's happening everywhere. The line between human and machine is blurring before our eyes. Today, we'll dive into 3 breakthroughs: AgiBot A2, the conversational humanoid; XPENG IRON, the robot that learns to dance; and Toyota WalkMe, the empathetic mobility companion. These aren't just machines, they're the vanguard of a new era. Ready to see the future? Let's get into it. The point of no return is here. First up, AgiBot A2, a robot that feels different, almost alive in its presence. Unlike past robots, A2 isn't just answering questions. It's present, aware, and interacts with a human touch, making every exchange feel genuine. Its movements are fluid, its gaze curious. It walks, turns, and gestures like it's truly exploring, not just following a script. When someone asks for directions, A2 doesn't just recite facts. It points, gestures, and adds context, like, "It's just past the coffee shop with the green sign." It adapts its explanations to the person's needs. The AI runs locally, so responses are instant and natural, with no awkward pauses or delays. People approach it with curiosity, and soon, they're talking to it like a person, sometimes even forgetting it's a machine. Kids ask silly questions. A2 responds with wit and subtle head tilts, building rapport and making children feel heard. Its hands are marvels, gesturing, picking up objects, waving goodbye, and even mimicking human mannerisms with surprising dexterity. The uncanny valley is shrinking. A2 is almost, but not quite, human. Its expressions are nuanced, its presence unmistakable. The goal isn't a single job. A2 is a generalist, museum guide, elderly companion, retail assistant, and more, adapting to each role with ease. Every interaction is data. It learns from real-world conversations, becoming more socially adept every day, constantly evolving its understanding of people. This is machine learning in the wild, not just in a lab. A2 is shaped by the world around it. Social protocols are changing. How do you treat a robot that seems disappointed if you're rude? It's a new social dilemma. Its micro-expressions, nods, shifting gaze, make it approachable and relatable, inviting empathy from those it meets. Imagine A2 in hospitals, patiently explaining procedures, or in schools, offering personalized help to every student who needs it. The aim isn't to replace humans, but to fill gaps with tireless, patient support, always available, never impatient. The team is transparent, testing A2 in parks, malls, and trade shows, not just labs, inviting the public to participate. It navigates crowds, avoids obstacles, and juggles multiple conversations, adapting to the chaos of real life. In one demo, A2 examines a water bottle, identifies it, and asks if you're thirsty. Contextual awareness in action, showing it understands more than just words. This is a platform, like the first iPhone. Endless potential for new apps and skills, limited only by our imagination. AgiBot A2 isn't just a clever machine. It's a new kind of entity, walking, talking, learning among us, blending into our daily routines. The question isn't if robots will join our daily lives, but how we'll adapt to them and what new norms we'll create. A2 is forcing us to answer that now, sparking conversations and debates everywhere it goes. It's stepping into our world with shocking social grace, challenging our expectations of what robots can be. This is just the beginning, a glimpse of a future where robots and humans coexist. The social robot era has arrived, the boundaries are shifting, and the world is watching. We're witnessing a profound social experiment, one that will shape how we live and interact for generations. Let's meet the next breakthrough and see just how far this revolution can go. Next, meet XPENG's Iron, the artist robot that's redefining what it means to be expressive in the world of machines. Iron went viral not for doing chores or simple tasks, but for its mesmerizing dance performances that captured the internet's imagination. It learned a complex routine by simply watching a human dancer. No lines of code, just pure observation and adaptation. In just a few hours, Iron transformed from a blank slate to a synchronized performer, moving in perfect time with its human counterpart. This is imitation learning. Robots picking up skills by watching, not by being programmed step by step. Iron's design is sleek and futuristic, with a screen face for expressive animations. Some find it cool, others a bit uncanny, but always memorable. The screen is a digital canvas, letting Iron display a range of emotions, useful information, or playful patterns that engage people. The dance wasn't just a gimmick. It's XPENG's vision for emotive, expressive robots that can connect with humans on a new level. Iron is built to be emotionally present, not just physically capable, responding to human gestures and feelings. Dance is non-verbal communication. Teaching Iron to dance is teaching it to express joy, rhythm, and energy, without saying a word. Imagine Iron learning physical therapy moves or games with kids, adapting instantly to new activities and needs. The tech fuses advanced robotics with powerful AI. Iron doesn't just mimic, it interprets rhythm, style, and even the intent behind each move. Its movements are predictive, not just reactive, anticipating the flow of dance and adjusting in real time. XPENG's mass production expertise means Iron could soon be in homes everywhere, part of a connected, intelligent ecosystem. The name Iron embraces its machine nature, confident, capable, and unapologetically robotic, yet approachable. The real story is learning speed and ambition. Robots as companions, not just tools, evolving to fit into our daily lives. The design debate, how human should robots look, is ongoing, but Iron makes a strong case for expressive, characterful machines. Iron is a performer, a student, and a potential companion, ready to learn and entertain. Its ability to learn by watching and express itself physically is a leap forward for robotics and human-robot interaction. Iron doesn't just move, it has moves, with a style all its own. The future of robotics is expressive, creative, and deeply interactive. Robots are learning to connect, to understand, and to respond to us in ways we never imagined. Let's see what empathy looks like in motion, as Iron takes its next steps into our world. Finally, let's meet Toyota's WalkMe, the innovative stair-climbing puppy chair that's turning heads everywhere. At first glance, it looks like a mobility device, but the way it moves is different, more like a futuristic AI-powered pet than a traditional wheelchair. With 4 sturdy legs and a comfy seat, WalkMe has no wheels. Instead, it walks, climbs stairs, and navigates rough terrain with ease, opening up new possibilities for users. Watching it climb stairs is mesmerizing. Each leg moves with careful precision, keeping the rider perfectly level and secure, even on tricky steps. This is a true game changer for accessibility, opening up the world for those with mobility challenges and making places once off-limits accessible again. But WalkMe isn't just practical. It's designed to feel like a companion, not just a machine. It follows its owner, comes when called, and its head moves with curiosity, responding to your presence in a lifelike way. Toyota wanted users to feel they have a partner, not just a tool, someone or something that's always there for them. Small touches, gentle nudges, attentive looks, and subtle gestures help build a real emotional bond between user and machine. The technology inside blends advanced robotics and Toyota's automotive know-how, complex leg motion, constant micro-adjustments for stability, and sensors that read the environment. WalkMe is built for real-world usefulness, not just as a concept or a prototype. It's about restoring freedom, confidence, and independence to people's lives. The puppy chair nickname captures its dual nature, advanced assistive technology and empathetic, almost playful companion. Unlike humanoids, WalkMe's form follows its function, helping, accompanying, and empathizing with its user every step of the way. Simple controls, joystick, voice, or autonomous follow-me mode make it intuitive and easy for anyone to use, regardless of tech experience. Toyota's research shows that for adoption, a device must be likable, not just functional or efficient. Pet-like traits make WalkMe a joy to have by your side, turning daily routines into positive experiences. Imagine the impact. Users can visit parks, old buildings, friends' homes, and more. No more barriers to where they want to go. It's not just about mobility. It's about social inclusion and being part of the community again. WalkMe proves the most human robot isn't always humanoid. It's the one that acts like a loyal friend, always by your side. Its expressive movements and subtle emotions help build trust and reliability over time. WalkMe is empathetic engineering in action, blending technology and humanity seamlessly. It restores dignity, confidence, and a sense of connection for its users. Sometimes, the best robots are the ones that feel like friends, offering support, warmth, and companionship. WalkMe brings together technology, empathy, and independence, redefining what mobility can mean for everyone. So, what do we get? AgiBot A2, the social learner; XPENG IRON, the expressive artist; Toyota, WalkMe, the empathetic companion. These aren't just tools, they're emotional, social, and physically expressive partners. The line between human and machine is now a gradient, not a boundary. Robots are learning our cues, language, and art. We're learning to trust and accept them. This is a two-way evolution, happening in public, right now. The prototypes are out of the lab, iterating in real time. Science fiction is becoming fact. The first wave is here, and they're learning fast. The humanoids are here, and they're starting to act way too human.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.